Welcome to Mathsdaily. In this video, we will learn about adding fractions in different ways. In adding unlike fractions, there are two different methods that you can apply. First, using cross multiplication, and the second one is using LCM or least common multiple, or also known as LCD or least common denominator. Now, in these examples, we are going to use the cross multiplication method. To add unlike fractions using cross multiplication method, we need to multiply the numerator of the first fraction with the denominator of the second fraction. After that, multiply the denominator of the first fraction with the numerator of the second fraction. Okay, following this step, multiply 3 times 5. 3 times 5 plus 4 times 2 over multiply. The second step is multiply both the denominators of the two fractions. So we are going to multiply both the denominators. 4 times 5. 4 times 5. Okay. And then the third step is calculate and simplify the final answer. Convert improper fraction to mixed fraction if necessary. So 3 times 5 is 15 plus 4 times 2 is 8 over 4 times 5 is 20. This will give us 15 plus 8 is 23 over 20. Now, our final answer is in improper fractions. So, we can convert this into a mixed fraction. So, how do we do that? We divide 23 by 20. So, 23 divided by 20. 23 minus 20 is 3. So we take this one as the whole number, 3, the remainder 3 as the numerator, and copy the divisor 20 as the denominator. So this is our final answer, 1 and 3/20. Now let's take a look at the second example. 1/3 plus 9/11. Following the steps, multiply 1 by 11. So 1 times 11 plus 4 times 2 over multiply both the denominators. 3 times 11. So this will give us, let's calculate. 1 times 11 is 11 plus 4 times 2 is 8 over 3 times 11 is 33. Let's add. 11 plus 8 is 19 over 33. This is our final answer. Now let's talk about adding unlike fractions using LCM or LCD. LCM stands for least common multiple and LCD stands for least common denominators. LCM or LCD are just the same. Okay, in adding unlike fractions using LCM or LCD, there are 3 steps that you need to remember. The first one is list down the multiples of the denominators. The second step is rewrite the given fractions by using the LCM or LCD of all the denominators. And the third step is calculate and simplify the final answer, or convert improper fractions to mixed fractions if necessary. So in this example, 2/5 plus 3/4. So how do we find the common multiples? The multiples of 4 are 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, and we can go on. I'm going to write 5 multiples of 5 as well. So 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, and the list goes on. The least common multiple of 4 and 5 is 20. We need to write the given fractions by using the LCM or LCD of all the denominators. So now let us rewrite the given fractions by using the LCM or LCD of all the denominators. So let's have over 20 plus over 20. How do we identify the new numerators using the new denominators or using the LCM? So to find the new numerator, we need to count the numbers of multiples. So this 1, 2, 3, 4. So 5 times 4, and whatever we do with the denominator, we need to do the same with the numerator. So we need to multiply 2 times 4. 2 times 4. So our new numerator becomes 8. Likewise, we need to do the same thing with the second fractions. Let's count the number of multiples from 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 multiples. So we're going to multiply 4 times 5, which is 20. And then let's multiply the numerator. We're going to do the same thing with the numerator. Let's multiply it by 5. 3 times 5 is 15. Now that we have the same denominators, we can proceed to adding fractions. 8 plus 15 is 23 over, copy the denominator, 20. And after that, let's simplify. 23 over 20. So let's divide 23 divided by 20. 23. Remainder 3. So quotient becomes the whole number. This is equal to 1 and 3. The remainder becomes numerator, and the divisor 20 or the denominator remains the same. Alright, so this is our final answer. So that is how we add unlike fractions using LCM or LCD. So you can also apply this method when you are adding 3 different fractions at a time. I hope you found value from this lesson. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next video.